Delicious Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some crispy air fryer cod in the air fryer. This recipe calls for some cod, but you could use halibut or any type of fish that you want to use. Cod has a nice mild flavor and it works really well in the air fryer. So first thing, we're going to take our fillets and we're going to first of all actually put some oil on our tray so that the fish doesn't stick to it. So I've already done that. And then we're just going to put our fish on the tray. And what we're going to do is put on some mayo. Now we're going to use the mayo and then put our crispy panko on top of that. We're not going to bread the entire fish. We're just going to put it on top and it will look great, you'll see. So first we're going to put some mayo on. And it's kind of like the glue that's going to stick the panko to it. So feel free to put a good layer on there. It's going to give it a bit of moisture as well. After you're done putting the mayo onto the fish, we're going to combine our panko. So for this recipe, it calls for a half a cup of panko, and I've got my herb and garlic rub in here as well. This is salt and pepper. And then I'm just going to mix that up with our melted butter. And just give that a stir. And get all those flavors stirred up together. Now this calls for the garlic and herb rub, but you could use the lemon pepper rub. You could use whatever you wanted in here. Lots of different flavors. Pampered Chef has all kinds of different seasonings and rubs, and they're fantastic. So once we've given that a good mix, then we're just going to take some of that and put it on our cod, and we're just going to make sure it sticks on there. And again, this is just on the top. We're not doing the whole thing, but I'm going to give it a good covering. There we go. And once you're done that, then you're good to go. We're gonna prepare our vegetables in just a minute, but this will be ready to go. We're gonna open up our air fryer and just place that into the top rack. And then we'll do our vegetables. Hi there. Now we're going to prepare our vegetables for this meal. Now the crispy air fryer cod recipe calls for asparagus. I didn't have any of that, but I've got some beans and I've got some frozen corn. Again, I didn't have any corn on the cob because it's winter and that's just not in season right now. So we'll just make do with what we have because that's what cooking is all about. Anyways, we're just going to chop up our beans just into little bite-sized pieces. Not too small. We're going to put them in the bowl with our corn. We're going to put a teaspoon or so of oil on them. And then we're going to just put a bit of salt on. So we're just going to stir that up so the oil gets coated, and that will make the vegetables a little bit crispy. There we go. I'm just going to put that right on our tray. We've already oiled the tray so it doesn't stick. Although for the vegetables, I'm not sure that that's as big of a deal. And just spread that out so everything gets a chance to cook nice and evenly. And then we're just going to pop that right into our air fryer and put that on the bottom rack. And then we're going to turn that to roast and press start. And that will take about 10 minutes to cook, and in the meantime we can do our vinaigrette for our vegetables and for the top of our fish. Hi there, while our fish is cooking, we're going to do a little vinaigrette that we can then pour over top of the chicken. So this is what we need to do. We're going to take a lemon And we're going to juice it. That's a nice juicy lemon. So we're going to pour that in there without any of the seeds. There we go. We're going to chop up some chives. It says about a teaspoon or something in the recipe. I mean, just do as many as you think that you'll need. That in there. Then we're going to add our oil. That's about 2 tablespoons of oil. And in here I've got our Dijon mustard and our honey. So we're just going to add that. And give that a stir. And we're going to have a great little vinaigrette to put on top of our fish and our vegetables. Hi, our air fryer has finished, so let's see what's inside. Now this is hot, so you'll want to use an oven mitt. But we'll take our vegetables and we'll put them in our serving tray here. Oh, they look great. They're not overdone. They're just really nicely done here. Just going to take a little bit of the vinaigrette and just pour it over top, just to give them a little bit of flavor. And then we'll check out our cod. Oh my sweet Lord. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Can you see that on the camera? Wow. Okay, and we'll just put that on top of our vegetables. Oh my goodness, does this ever look good? And there you have it, folks. 10 minutes and you have a beautiful meal. Hi everybody, I just wanted to let you know how this turned out. So the beans were a little crispy still, but they're still really good. The fish is divine. Oh my God, so good. Perfectly done. Yeah, I can't say enough about this dish. This is fantastic. I'll put the recipe up in the comments and you can have a really good, good meal for your family. So healthy. Air frying is the way to go. My kitchen is not heated up. If this was summertime, it'd be unbearable with the oven going. This is so fast, so easy, so incredibly good. So stay tuned for more recipes from Diane's Delicious Kitchen. Bye.